The traditional consultation ceremony for the declaration of date for Ikeji festival in Nnamdi community witnessed large turnout of people and performance by various masquerades from the 19 villages within the community. The traditional ruler of the community, Kanu, says the festival is an inherited culture from their forebears, which ensures the peace and progress of the community.
Consider it remembrance of our forefather, Nnamdi Izogo. He is the founder of this place and beyond. So we are remembering him today, and to also determine date for Ikeji for Nnamdi Izogo in its entirety.
The traditional Lord Mayor of the community, Dr. Innocent Ezuma, who expresses joy over the success of the ceremony, says it creates opportunity for economic impact and interaction among the people.
It has a very, very huge economic impact, because when people come home, they will eat, they will drink, they will do other things. Some of them will repair their homes, some of them will start building houses and all those things.
Other people from the area comment.
The same event we are doing today is as old as our great-great-grandfathers. It's always been celebrated. It's a mark of good thing. There's nothing bad about Ikeji.
It's not about women, no, because you can see that place, no woman goes in there, no woman goes there. So we just came to see masquerade, to watch.
Without that, this thing they did today, you can't have Ikeji's date, Nnamdi Izogo, Ikeji's date.
The festival also featured displays by different groups and individuals. The main event of the one-week cultural fiesta will take place on the 28th of April 2022 in Nnamdi Izogo, Idato North Local Government Area of Imo State. Rina Obasi, NTA News.